Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tana and welcome to Crypto Bible. How are we all doing? I thought I'd do another update video for you guys, and it's just basically following on from all the bullish news I was reporting earlier this morning. If you have not seen the video earlier this morning, please be sure to check the link in the description below. It is just basically filled with a lot of bullish news, bullish sentiment, taking a look at some data and metrics for Bitcoin as well. And yeah, we've obviously just found this as well, as you could probably tell by the headline of this video. Looks like Paraguay are going to be following suit of El Salvador. It's something that we haven't discussed in a while because it just kind of went a little bit quiet. As soon as Bitcoin kind of retraced to 40K, that's when the El Salvador news came out. And then obviously things began to dip. Now, at this point in time right now, we have just had some news from Paraguay that they're going to be looking to do something very similar. When the El Salvador news did originally come out, we thought it would be like a domino effect of other countries in America, South America, Central America, just kind of following suit and like one after the other. It's taken a little bit of a while. It's been like a whole month and since El Salvador made their statement. However, Paraguay have just announced some important bits of details that we're going to go through today. And yeah, we'll just have to see how this does pan out and see if any other countries will follow suit. The other countries that were kind of involved as well, that were speaking about doing something similar, were the likes of Panama. You even had Brazil, Argentina as well. So pretty much nearly all of them in and around the area of South America and Central America. But looks like Paraguay are the next country to take the plunge into the Bitcoin world, as they'd like to keep up to date with everything, just like El Salvador have as well. So let's dive into some of these headlines I found for you guys today. Oh, give me a sec, guys. Here we go. So Paraguay proposed Bitcoin law includes crypto registration report. The bill reportedly seeks to regulate ownership and registration of the crypto, as well as crypto mining operations. Now, straight off the back here, guys, what can we see as a difference as opposed to what El Salvador did? El Salvador obviously adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender, whereas Paraguay are taking a slightly different route, and they're actually seeking for full regulation when it does come to adopting Bitcoin and registration of crypto, and crypto mining as well. So where El Salvador just kind of took the plunge and went for it, we've got El Salvador kind of going through the other route of, making sure all the regulations are put in place, want to put certain regulations in place and laws and rules. It's good to see. Obviously comes after everything happening in the UK. So, I suppose they're just kind of covering their backs because, the governments, man, they'll end up just making some next rule or some next law about something eventually. So they are taking a different route, but not a bad thing at all. Not a bad thing at all. So a new Bitcoin law expected to be introduced into Paraguay's legislature tomorrow will require cryptos to be registered with the country's Undersecretariat of State Taxation. Decrypt reported Tuesday, citing a draft of the bill. It said it's obtained. The purpose of this draft law is to establish legal certainty, financial and fiscal, in the businesses derived from the production and commercialization of virtual assets. A rough translation of the document reads, Decrypt reported that the bill was leaked draft without saying how it obtained it. The bill would also regulate crypto mining as well as trading through exchanges and peer-to-peer marketplaces where participants will be required to register as obligated subjects. It's important that companies can register these products within their accounting so that they can have their real valuation. Additionally, it helps to optimize the tax collection of this industry. Finally, giving traceability of what is produced in a country is facilitating its tracking by supervisory authorities, the document says. Specifically, the rationale of bill states that crypto mining should be seen as an industrial activity under the purview of the Ministry of Industry and Commerce because of its use of capital, labor, machinery, and construction of civil infrastructure. So Congressman Carlos Rajala, who plans to present the bill, told CoinDesk last month that the law would allow crypto mining or exchange companies to finance their Paraguayan operations with the digital asset as well as remit dividends abroad and capitalize their crypto profits in domestic banks. So, it does sound all good, I suppose. We're just going to have to wait and see once it does actually happen. We do have this right here. So this is from Carlitos Rajala. He says, I am here to unite Paraguay. That is why we decided with Senator F. Silva Facetti to present together the bill Bitcoin on Wednesday, July 14th, which is today. Stay tuned, since there will be mega surprise for Paraguay around and the world. Something giant is coming. And then he did actually follow that up by saying this: as I was saying a long time ago, our country needs to advance hand in hand with the new generation. The moment has come, our moment. This week, we start with an important project to innovate Paraguay in front of the world, the real one to the moon. And what's interesting is that they've obviously got hashtag PayPal there as well. So it looks like PayPal are going to be getting involved themselves as well with Paraguay. So it's obviously really good to see. They do seem to be taking a different route to El Salvador, but in all fairness, it's a good route. Fair enough, they want to be doing this thing properly, and they'll just be setting an example for all the other countries around them. They do want to be moving on with the generation, moving into the modern world by adopting Bitcoin in some kind of way. And it's just going to be exciting to see whether or not other countries do take the plunge to do it as well. Will it be moving over to Africa, then within Europe as well? So all in all, guys, bullish news today all around for Bitcoin. The price action itself hasn't really been that exciting today. You would think that we maybe would have had something, but it doesn't always have to work like that. We can just get very bullish news and then still just get some kind of boring price action. What we have seen is that Bitcoin has just come back down to the 32.5K area. We just have to wait and see for it to hold. I was obviously speaking about Bitcoin trying to hold this level. And, at this moment in time, we are just chilling right there. And as you can see, I suppose we've closed the day above these levels right here. And as you can see, we ended up bouncing right there as well today. So, if we could just kind of maybe keep ourselves above $31,500, that'd be pretty good. Wouldn't be the end of the world if we do go below it, but I'd like to see Bitcoin hold that level and just kind of bounce and, still kind of grind its way. It's all boring right now. I completely get it. But as we saw with some of the leaders in the market, AXS doing an absolute madness. And, if that is the leader in the market, which it looks like it is, then and some of the other altcoins and Bitcoin as well is a lagger, then we've got some exciting things to come. So it's all about being patient. Everyone knows that crypto is a very, very patient game. It does not happen overnight. Makes you sick and tired before we make any type of money at all. But look, like I said, that is the name of the game, and we are getting bullish news after bullish news. Been seeing a lot of people on Twitter doing their technical analysis on Bitcoin, and it does seem to be looking good. Look, obviously, I am not. This is not financial advice. It is just my opinion, just a guy on YouTube. But it's looking pretty decent at the moment. But wait and see what happens in it. But yes, guys, that is going to cover it for today's update. I might be doing one tonight as well. I could be doing a live stream as well shortly. I'll let you guys know very, very shortly. Otherwise, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, bell icon to keep updated. Join the Discord, link in the description below, and I will see you guys very soon. Take it easy.